Hey, what's going on, everybody? I want to thank you guys for helping me build this channel. It's a slow build, but I'm very appreciative to you guys following me. Those of you who are paying attention, um, and I get you guys asking me all the time. Guys want to read my stuff since I talk about books and writing and things like that. And so this is what I'm gonna do. When you subscribe to this channel, or you go to my website, which I'm going to put a link here at the bottom of this video, I'm going to send you a free book. This book here represents my life of growing up in Chicago. I'm an ex-drug dealer, ex-gang member, and this book will show you how I got to this point, the life in Chicago, and how, it's a lot of messages in here. One Chance to Be a Man is what I named it because I had to learn how to become a man, coming from the environment that I come from. And the thing is, all the time I was living in that environment, I was always this guy. I was always a writer, and I didn't know it, you know. And that's the beautiful thing about writing is that, you know, um, you know, uh, these things to me are natural. Everybody's a natural born writer. Um, just some of us have more stories and things to tell than others. That's it. And then others choose to write it down and some don't. But we're all storytellers. So I want you guys, this book has a perfect, the last time I checked, it had a perfect 5-star review on Amazon. Uh for the few copies that I sold on there. And also, I would like, if you want to send me a review, you know, um, you can actually go to the website and click on reviews for this book and kind of see what the reviews are. I'm gonna put a link here. I'm gonna put the website. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and subscribe to the email with your I'm sorry, subscribe to the website with your email, and I will send you a copy of this book for free. No charge, no nothing. I will send it to you for free. I'm D Revolution. Please spread the word, or anybody who you think want to read a grimy and gritty real story. This is the book for you, and I promise you, you will get an opportunity to see my journey and how far I've come. One Chance to Be a Man. It's good for your sons to read. Anybody, it's good for women to read. You get to see the mentality of a guy who's growing up and didn't have a whole lot to work with. It's really a mind-blowing, introspective book. Anyway, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the website newsletter, and I'll send you a free book. I want to thank you, and please hit the notification bell for future videos. Peace. I'm D Revolution.